regularly send good morning messages on my Discord channel, and do you think that I am doing this manually? No, I have created an AI agent which automatically sends these messages every day, and in this video I'll show you how you can also build this AI agent in just 5 minutes. So to do this, you just have to open your workflow built inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you can try Pabbly Connect for free. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount. Okay, so now we're on the workflow builder and let's see how we can build this AI agent. For that, this is the most important window because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So I'll show you what will happen. You have to click on this add trigger button, and what you have to do, you have to choose your trigger as scheduled by Pabbly. Simply select the event as scheduled workflow and click on this connect. Select the date and the time using which you want to schedule with this workflow. So I want to schedule this workflow for every day 11 a.m. So I'm just going to select the same, click on this save. I have successfully scheduled this workflow. You have to schedule it according to your own choice. And now you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to choose an AI agent like ChatGPT, Gemini, who's going to send messages on behalf of you. So what you have to do, you have to search for the same. I'm just going to choose Gemini. So I'm just going to search for the same, selected for the event, selected as generate content and click on this connect. Now if you have already created this connection, click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, click on add a new connection. Now it is asking me for the API key. So to get this API key, you just have to click on this Google AI Studio button, and then from the left hand of the side, you have to go on this get API key section. Once you go over here, you have to click on this create API key button, name your key, select the project and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, then you just have to copy your key, paste it right over here in your workflow, click on this save and your Google AI Studio will be connected. I've already created this connection, so I'm just going to click on this select existing connection and then save. Now we have to enter the prompt using which it is going to generate me the daily messages. So to enter this prompt, I'm just going to open my previous workflow and copy the prompt directly from here and enter it right over here. If you also want this prompt, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below. You can check it out and get the prompt from there. Now you have to enter the model right over here and select the method as generate content and click on the save and send test request button right over here. So I've entered the prompt according to my own choice. You have to enter it according to yours. Now you're going to see we have received the response where we have received this message. Now let's just see how we can send it on our Discord. So for that, you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to search for Discord over here and select it. Now for the event, you have to select it as send channel message. You can choose markdown or HTML. It totally depends upon you. Click on this connect. It is asking for the webhook URLs. For that, you have to open your Discord, go on the server name, then towards the server settings. Now from the left hand of the side, go on this integrations and then you have to go on this webhooks. Click on this new webhook button. A webhook, something named like this, will appear in front of you. Now you just have to name your webhook, which is new AI agent. I'm just going to name it like this. And now you have to select the channel in which you want to send this messages. So I'm just going to send the messages in game zone. So I'm just going to search for game zone, select the same, copy the webhook URL and click on this save changes. Now just paste the webhook URL right over here. For the message, we're just going to simply enter the message which Google AI Studio generated. We are not going to copy paste the message, but we have to map this. You must be wondering, what is mapping? Mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. In order to map these details, you have to put a slash and simply open the response and map the details like this. That is asking me for many another details. If you wish, you can definitely fill it out, otherwise leave it as blank and click on the save and send test request. We have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this message, and you're going to see yes, this message is sent right over here. Apart from this, I'll just let you know that I just created this as an example using this Google AI Studio as your AI agent. You can build multiple automations. You can regularly post on your social media, you can generate content, you can generate images and much more. Not only Gemini, but you can use ChatGPT, Claude, and many another AI agents according to your own choice. So go and try and build AI agent for yourself today using Pabbly Connect, because this can be really helpful for you and your business. And while trying, if you have any doubts, you can directly drop them in the comment section below. My team is definitely going to help you out. Don't forget that the discount coupon code is attached in the description box below, and right over here, try Pabbly Connect if you like it to purchase the subscription plan too. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video.